Have you ever wondered how blood travels around your body without stopping, even in high pressure? Just follow me in this video. Now, in this movement, arteries are the strong ones. They carry blood away from your heart in high pressure and distribute them to every part of your body, while vein plays the return part. Veins carry those blood back to your heart and now restrict flow back. You see how it happens. But there is one thing about artery and vein you need to understand. What artery carries is oxygenated blood. Then vein will now carry the oxygenated blood, that is a blood without oxygen, and take it back to the heart. Now another one is the capillary. What capillary does is that is a tiny connector. They allow oxygen and nutrients from the blood to pass into your tissues. So all of them forms a perfect transport network that keeps every part of your body alive. That is why any part of your body that is not receiving blood, including the brain, the eyes, the leg, it becomes a problem. So now tell me in the comment section, which of these three vessels do you think works the hardest? I'm in the comment section waiting for you guys. Thank you for watching this video. It's me, your daily dose of truth for a healthier life. Thank you.